Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you in brief about basic electronics. Very first one is, what is electronics? It is a branch of engineering to study of behavior and movement of electrons in a semiconductor, conductor, vacuum or gas. What are the examples of electronic devices? In our day-to-day life, all we are using mobile, computer, TV, radio, remote, mouse are some examples of electronic devices. Next next term in basic electronics is atom. Atom is a very smallest particle of an element. The total number of elements on our earth is 118. If we split any element that we can see on this earth is constructed by very small particles are called atoms. This atom in turn having three particles, namely proton, neutron and electron. These particles are having their own characteristics. Proton is having positive charge, neutron is having no charge, electron is having negative charge. The charge of proton is plus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. The charge of electron is minus 1.602 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. The proton and neutrons are in the central part of the atom. This is called nucleus. The electrons are always revolving around the nucleus in their specific orbit. It is similar to our solar system. Next term is atomic number. Atomic number is represented by letter Z. The atomic number is always equal to number of protons and also it is equal to the number of electrons in a neutral atom. Hydrogen is having lowest atomic number and oxygen is having highest atomic number. Next coming to atomic mass. The total number of protons and neutrons in an atom is called atomic mass. Here we neglected electron mass because electrons are having negligible mass. Then how to find the number of electrons in a specific orbit? One easiest method by using formula 2n square. N is the number of orbit. In first orbit, the maximum number of electrons are 2 into n means orbit number, that is 1 square, that means 2 into 1 square is equal to 2. And in second orbit, 2 into n square, 2 into 2 square is equal to 8. Similarly, in third orbit, 2 into 3 square is equal to 18. And in fourth orbit, 2 into 4 square is equal to 32, like this. For example, I will consider three atoms, one conductor, one semiconductor and other is insulator. First example is copper, is having atomic number 29. In first orbit, the maximum number of electrons are 2 and total number of electrons are 29. 29 minus 2 is equal to 27 remaining electrons. In second orbit, maximum number of electrons are 8 and 27 minus 8 is equal to 19. In third orbit, maximum number of electrons in third orbit is 18 and remaining electrons in the previous sum is 19. 19 minus 18 is equal to 1. And this one electron will be in the fourth orbit, that is the last orbit, that is called valence. That electron is called valence electron. Next, second example, that is germanium atom having atomic number 32. In first orbit, maximum number of electrons are 2 and 32 minus 2 is equal to 30. In second orbit, maximum number of electrons are 8 and 30 minus 8 is equal to 22. In third orbit, maximum number of electrons in third orbit is 18. 22 minus 18 is equal to 4. And 4 is the valence electrons of the germanium, that is in the fourth orbit. Next, third example, that is chlorine, is having 17 atomic number. The number of electrons in first orbit is 2 and total number of electrons are 17. 17 minus 2 is equal to 15 remaining. And in second orbit, maximum number are 8. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. That is in the third orbit. The number of electrons in the third orbit, that is outermost orbit, is 7. The conclusion of these three examples is the type of material, that is conductor, semiconductor or insulator, can be decided by the number of valence electrons or number of electrons in the outermost orbit. If the number of valence electrons are equal to 4, then this material is called semiconductor. So germanium having 4 valence electrons, then it is semiconductor. And second conclusion, if number of valence electrons are less than 4, then the material is conductor. So copper is having only 1 valence electron, so copper is a best conductor. Next, if the number of valence electrons are greater than 4, but maximum number of valence electrons can be 8, not more than 8, then the material is insulator. So chlorine is having 7 valence electrons, then this is insulator. Another method of finding the number of electrons in a specific orbit by using SPDF subshells. This is all little bit about basic electronics. Thank you.